Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you need to find where the transmission oil pump fuses are located, you have multiple fuses that you need to check depending on the engine and year. They may differ. We'll explain about that, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts and tools. That way you do not waste money and time, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video, guys. So that will be, guys, our mission to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now, in addition, guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now, why we do that? To save you money, guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, the transmission oil pump, okay, fuses, where you can expect to find them. We will, guys, demonstrate on that generation, okay, Ford Fusion right here. You guys have, by the way, you have multiple fuses that we need to check, and we're going to start with the fuse box, okay, that's under the hood. So if you open the hood, and here on the driver's side you have that cover that looks like a T, remove it, and underneath is the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing, guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. Here you will need to check specifically, guys, okay, you will need to check 3 fuses, then we need 2 fuses, then we need to go to a different location. We'll talk about that. So the fuse that we need to check first, that's 18, 19, 20, 21 right here will need to be checked, guys. Fuse number 21. After that you need to check fuse number 24. You may or may not have this one. If you have it, it will be right here, guys. Check it if you have it, depending if you have a hybrid or what kind of engine you have. Now, if you come back, okay, to that fuse box, actually it has 2 notches that if you open it, it will open this way, and underneath on the bottom of that fuse box, once you open it, you have more hidden fuses that most people, guys, do not even know about that. And here we need to find more fuses specifically, okay, and you wonder where those things are located now. So here we will, guys, okay, need to check fuse number 72 right here. That's fuse number 72. You need to check fuse number 75 here, and fuse number 76 over here if you have it. These 3 fuses. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.